Oh boy.
What's going on down here?
I think Santa came.
What's that?
Did Santa come? Yeah. That. Yeah.
Dad,
What did Santa? Did he eat your speculoos?
Oh my goodness.
Did Santa eat the speculoos you left out in milk? Wow, what is that? Whoa. Hi. Wow, did you get some little people? Did Santa bring you some little people?
Some little animals?
Wow. Awesome, Lena. Is that awesome or what?
It's time to feed the animals. The grasslands.
Whoa. What else do you have? Did you get a horsey?
Is it a horsey?
Where's the horse, Lena? Lena, where's the horse? You like that, huh? You like that? Yeah. What else did you get, honey? What else did Santa bring? Is that an elephant? Whoa. Oh, thank you. Watch this. Look, watch this, Lena. Whoa. He slid down. Wow, polar bear. You want to make him slide again? Yeah, you can make him slide.
It's a beautiful day at the zoo. The jungle.
Whoa. Is that a lion? What's a lion say? Lena, what's a lion say? Yeah. Watch this, honey. Put the lion here.
Lion.
Whoa, you hear that lion? What else did you get, honey?
I have an important job.
Whoa, what's that?
It's time to fill up at the water tower. Well done. It is
What's
a
that,
very
sweetie?
busy day today.
Wow, Lena, what about this? What about this button? Hit this button, I think, honey. Whoa!
Coming through.
Thomas the Choo-Choo. That's Thomas the Choo-Choo train. Wow. What about this? Is this a helicopter?
Busy day today.
Is this a helicopter? Look at this, Lena.
It's time to fill up at the water tower.
You hear the helicopter?
I can see from up here the tracks are clear.
Wow.
Well done.
Whoa. Back to the zoo.
There are so many animals to see at the
Lena. Did Santa come and bring you all this stuff?
Did you get a gorilla? Did you get a gorilla?
Wow. Oh, is that Santa's cookies and milk? You're gonna eat the rest of the cookie you left for him? Oh, you big silly. Yeah, you're getting all of Santa's speculoos? Oh my gosh.
Double-fisted speculoos.
Ooh, he had some milk. Mmm, yummy. That's Santa's milk. Apparently you're eating the rest of his speculoos. You funny girl. What else? Did you get a horse, Lena?
You are a really useful engine.
She liked Thomas when he came out. Are you having speculoos looking at all your gifts? You little Belgian? You like your little people, huh? You want to make that lion roar again?
Lion.
Roar.
I have a special.
You like that? You say Merry Christmas, Lena? 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 Okay. Merry Christmas. You say Merry Christmas? Can you wave to the camera as you eat your speculoos? Lena? Lena? Okay. Can you say Merry Christmas? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? No? Look at all those presents for you. My gosh. It's a lot of presents. I think we have a winner here, though.
I'm
Oh.
ready to be really
Goes
useful.
Thomas.
Push up here. Push that button. Right here. Nope, in the middle, honey. In the middle. Right here. Look.